shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for October 16th, 2020, TGIF. Yes, I think we all need a little break. I'm so glad it's Friday. So we're going to start with the SPY, and let's just check out where the SPY is sitting. So right on the 4 EMA today, so the sky is pretty clear up ahead. We're going to be bullish above 348, and we are above that so far. I believe we hit one target, right? Yep, we hit one target so far. I would watch 348.50. Let's check this out. Yeah, watch that 348.50 level. That was the first test, pullback. Yep, second test with volume. Another good entry spot if you're not in yet. Bear below 346. For the SPY. Let's go on to the Russell. Russell's also sitting above the 4, a little bit higher. On the daily chart, we'll be bullish above 163.25. Bear below 161.50. All right, let's head on over to the Qs. Qs look pretty much similar to the SPY. Bullish above 291.25 and bear below 287.50. Head on over to the futures. Yeah, volume seems kind of low today, this morning. Yeah, so maybe you want to wait a little bit longer in the morning before jumping in. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 34.82 and bear below 34.70. The NASDAQ futures, we are going to be bullish above 11,937. Approaching that once again and bear below 11,850. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Give me a second to pull those up. All right, showing a little bit of weakness this morning, but we're still above the pivot. The pivot is really a lot. Now remember, we have those weekly candles. All right, let's see how those weekly candles close. Yep, look at the oil futures. Each time it came up to this trend line here, this is such an amazing trend line, it upthrusted. All right, it closed below it, and we'll see if we close below it or not. Yeah, it's going to be key today. And they can, swish it around all day, but it's really how we close. So we're going to be bullish above 41.12. And we are going to be bearish on the oil futures below 40.30. Yeah, if we go below this pivot right here, this is a really good trade setup. And then if we can break above this Camarilla, little bit tougher trade to the upside. There's lots of traffic lights. Yeah, the trade to the downside, much easier to take on the oil futures today. Let's go to the gold futures. All right, gold is happening this morning, but again, it all comes down to the wire. They just love to play with us, especially on the gold candle. Yeah, and this, I mean, everybody's watching this one. Everybody, right? You guys all watching the gold weekly candle? Bull flag. When are we going to break out of it? Well, I guess when we get stimulus. But let's see. We're right on the cusp here. Are we going to come down once again, or are we going to bust a move? We'll see. Let's go to the 5-minute chart again. We'll be bullish above 1920. Let's see if we can make it up that high, and bear below 1905. All right, this is look at all of these. Wait, I can't see with that. Look at all of these. Look at all these lines. Yeah, these are traffic lights. Each one has a computer program to sell and buy. Sell when we go up to them and buy when we go down. So that's choppy. That's why I really like this trade if we break out there, or this if we break down. Yeah, definitely a chop fest. Okay, let's look at the individual stocks today. We are going to start with the Big Apple. Okay, Apple, bullish above 122. Yep, sky is clear for it. We've had a lot of smaller prints, kind of sneaky. I just saw these this morning. You guys, look at all these like smaller 300,000, 280, yeah, all in this zone of about 120, 28 up to 120, 150. Yeah, so that's why I'm bullish above all of them, 122, and bearish below all of them. Yep, definitely watch those levels for Apple. NEO has been the stock of the week. Yeah, explosion. You guys rocked this once again in the Java pit. Awesome job yesterday. Bullish above 28.50. We've already gone up and hit two targets already, but 29. Watch the second test of 29 if you didn't jump in it yet. That's going to be key. I know Paul, aka the alien, called out there was a seller there, and oh yes, there is. Thank you, Paul. See this? They're lined up. Yep. So don't jump in until those guys are gone. Yeah, unless you have more money than those guys. That's 33,023. So 50,000 shares. Yep. Let's look on the INET book. Oh yeah, another 46,000 over here. So yeah, about 100,000 shares loaded to sell there. So if they get taken out, that would be your next entry there. Bear below 27. Didn't really like the bear trade. Yep, put it down pretty far below. Let's go to Boeing. Boeing has some unusual volume this morning. Bullish above 170.50. We've already gone up and hit a target. Let's see, we're coming up to resistance now. Close. 172, 173 area, these two moving averages. We've already hit them recently, so there might be less sellers this time around, but I suspect there'll be a few guys loaded to sell. Let's see if there's anybody that came in on the book. Yeah, this is my ARCA book, by the way. Yep, see this? Interference right here. 172.83. Yeah, there's definitely a couple sellers around this 172 area. Good target. Okay, let's go to Bank of America. That's our next stock. Yeah, really tough trade on the upside. Oh my goodness, look at all these moving averages. Like a lot of traffic. Bear trade much easier. Bear below 23.87. I'll be bullish above 25. We do have some dark pull activity at 25.19. Yeah, we'll see what it does today. It may not do too much, but we'll see. Tesla. Tesla might have some action today. Coast is clear above us. Bullish above 453. Bear below 440 for Tesla. Silver is starting to gain some momentum. We got a lot of new prints that came in this week at the 2250, 2253 level. We're above those right now. More for a swing trade. Yep, if we close strong today, yep, love it for a swing into next week. But you know, whenever I say that, it moves during the day. So either way, we're bullish above 2281. Normally I wouldn't use that level, but we've already been in that 23 area already. So that's the best one I see today. They're below 2237. Let's go to LI Auto. We're going to be bullish above 21. Coast is clear. And we're going to be bear below 2050 for a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to TLT. Now, it doesn't normally have early volume, and we didn't have too many choices this morning. This one is interesting. Yep. So we have this bearish engulfing candle right here. But we've pulled up, and we're still above the 8 EMA. We have tons of dark pool activity on this guy. Yeah, lots. And not too much movement yet. So we'll see if it rolls over or not. We'll be bear below 160.50. This might be more of a swing trade. And most likely will be on the dark pool insights this weekend. Bullish above 162.50. Yep, if we do pull up. But definitely something seems to be going on with it. Let's go to GLD. Yep, GLD moving up nicely. Bullish above 180.20. We had some new prints on GLD this week. 178.70. 177 and 178.53. We are well above that, so it looks really bullish. Looks like gold wants to hit this 50 simple moving average. Will it do it? Maybe. We'll see. Until next time, happy trading, everybody, and have a great weekend.
Nothing, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.